with the majority of our people who expect that this administration will be kept on its feet. In fact, they will see opposition that they have never seen before. I can tell you that. And so it will be a team.
But in Azimio, there will be no vacuum. We are several parties, constant parties of Azimio. The next ranking member of the leadership of our coalition is the Honorable Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka, who was the 10th Vice President of the Republic of Kenya. So as we stand before the nation, it's a case of the first amongst equals.
Those who want the poor of the poorest access education in this country without being hassled, being taken to KICC for unnecessary explanations, should join us in Operation Okoa Kenya under the leadership of Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka.
Ieleweke, as those who are remaining in opposition, that we fight for Kenyans. We will ensure that the government, that which they promised, is indeed delivered to the Mama Mboga and to the hustlers.